Here I have HUAWEI Y6 and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. Firstly, let's unlock the screen and hold the power key. Now let's tap power off and confirm it. Okay, when our device is completely switched off, we need to use the following key combination: power key plus volume up. You need to release all the keys as soon as Huawei logo pops up. And now let's wait for the recovery mode. Okay, in the HUAWEI Recovery Mode, you need to use volume up and volume down to navigate, and the power key to accept your choices. Let's choose Wipe Cache Partition. Okay, the device is formatting cache. The process is over, so we can return to the normal system. Let's choose Reboot System now. The device will switch on now, so we need to wait for that. Okay, and as you can see, all works fine. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to this channel and leave a like under the video.